Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on so many people's minds: weight loss. But here's the thing, we're not going to talk about quick fixes, fad diets, or telling you what to eat or avoid. Instead, we're focusing on an logical, sustainable approach to weight loss that combines science, mindset, and actionable tips. Plus, I'll share some exercise strategies that can help you stay consistent. Let's get started. First, let's break down the basics. Weight loss at its core is about energy balance. This means you need to burn more calories than you consume over time. But before you start counting every calorie, let's think bigger. It's not just about numbers, it's about creating habits that support your goals in a way that feels natural and sustainable. For example, instead of obsessing over food, focus on building a routine that works for your lifestyle. Small, consistent changes are far more effective than drastic overhauls. Think of it like this: if you save $5 every day, over time it adds up. The same principle applies to weight loss. Small, positive habits compound into big results. Next, let's talk about mindset. Weight loss isn't just a physical journey, it's a mental one too. One of the biggest mistakes people make is setting unrealistic expectations. If you expect to lose 20 pounds in a month, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins, like choosing to take the stairs instead of the elevator or drinking more water throughout the day. These little victories build momentum and keep you motivated. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Now, let's talk about exercise. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. The key is consistency and finding activities you enjoy. Here are some practical tips. If you're new to exercise, start small. A 10-minute walk every day is better than an intense workout you dread. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as you build stamina. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, so adding strength training to your routine can boost your metabolism. You don't need heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges are a great place to start. Variety keeps things interesting and prevents plateaus. Try alternating between cardio, like cycling or dancing, and strength training throughout the week. This is the energy you burn through everyday activities like cleaning, gardening, or even fidgeting. Increasing your NEAT can make a big difference over time. Take breaks to stretch, walk around your house, or do light chores. Rest is just as important as exercise. Overtraining can lead to burnout or injury, so make sure to give your body time to recover.